The ugly truths behind installation cost discrepancies. If you have installation projects for large format doors in Southampton, New York, it's essential to ensure there are no cost discrepancies between any quotes you've received. When examining proposals from your Suffolk County suppliers, you'll need to read it line by line to ensure you're quoted for the correct items, and be sure to check the quantities too. So, if you were expecting a specialty door, but a standard patio door is listed instead, buyer beware. This lack of attention to detail is a telltale sign that your supplier isn't listening to your needs, and you will have problems to come. Large format doors like bifolds or multi-slides are considered specialty doors. Far too often, many suppliers consider these separate from the rest of the window and door package, mistakenly excluding them from their quote. Sometimes listed as by others, but more commonly you're not notified at all, leaving it up to you to find out for yourself. For your installation quote, you'll need confirmation that specialists will be installing the door, not just laborers. Specialists have the specific skill set and expertise to install specialty doors properly to ensure perfect operation, and comparatively, their services will cost more. In addition, all materials and equipment must be included in your final quote to reflect accurate service prices. You'll also want it to indicate whether waterproofing and door pans are included or not. Since this is essential to the door's longevity, you want to ensure it's covered by one of the subs. For an accurate proposal in Southampton, New York, rely on Rockman Windows Doors. Call us today at 914-909-9430 to schedule a consultation.